Here's the front squat. The front squat, similar to the back squat, is an amazing longevity tool. The front squat is going to be a little trickier in the setup, but is something that is also really important to master. It really helps work the core and the upper back a lot more, and it provides a much larger emphasis on the quadriceps as well. So it's going to be slightly different from the back squat, but equally as useful. Setup is going to be kind of similar. Hands are going to go right outside of shoulder width. It's going to be pretty much your same back squat grip. Now, with the front squat, wrist mobility is big. You can either, if you have absolutely no wrist mobility, you can position your shoulders under the bar, right kind of over your collarbone, and pick the bar up. Now, this grip is a little more unstable, as you can see, and so I don't recommend it. I recommend learning how to grip or use a front squat grip with your hands. Now, you don't have to have incredible wrist mobility. I definitely don't. So for most of you, you're going to be gripping the bar with 2 fingers. So measure with your thumb to about half of the thumb. Place that on the knurling. 2-finger grip. And then this is going to be your front squat grip. Now, the bar is going to rest kind of uncomfortably on your collarbones. And this is something that you're going to have to learn and play with a little bit. So don't push this exercise too fast, but you're going to step under the bar, position the bar pretty much on your collarbones, but it's actually resting on my delt. And it's resting on my delt, and the bar is ever so slightly contacting my neck. You don't want the bar to choke you out. Don't ask me how I know. So step under the bar, position the bar, and it's going to be a very similar sequence to the back squat. You're initiating the squat with your hips, slight bend in the hips, straight down, straight down. So here is step 1 with the front squat. You're going to grab the bar mid thumb on the knurling, and that's going to be how you measure. Right outside of shoulder width. 2-finger grip. Grip the bar, and then you're going to place it kind of on your deltoids, over your collarbones, ever so slightly touching your neck. Step forward, position the bar, and you want to keep your elbows as high as possible. You want your elbows to essentially be parallel with the ground. You do not want your elbow to be able to point towards the ground. During the movement, you're trying to keep your elbows as high as possible. So grab it up and unrack. And as you squat, your focus is to keep your torso upright and keep your elbows upright as well. So bend in the hips, down with the knees, up.